Hello everybody, it's your girl, Neon Horse Lover MSP, or right now, I am Kylie Gaming and stuff. So today I'm going to be playing Akinator, then Who's Your YouTube Boyfriend? Put my face cam over here, or down here, yeah, I like down there better. Okay, no, he is not. Yes, he is. No, he is not. Are you assuming Jacksepticeye and gender? Yes. I don't know, does he? I don't know. I'm gonna say I don't know. Yeah. Yep, I'm gonna guess it now. He guessed it so fast. Okay, so that was Akinator. Now it's time for Who is Your YouTube Boyfriend? Please be Jacksepticeye. Okay, his favorite color is red. Probably pink. Yeah, I like playing video games a lot. What kind of question is that though? Ooh, my doggy! I wonder what's wrong with you. I want the llama. A llama! Wait, I love them all though. Because I actually am a llama. Okay. Rawr! Meh. Dildo. Ladder goat. Loser. And then there's meow. I have to. So many okays. I'm always inside. My house, you could be pervert. Okay, I don't help them out, but I just laugh, so I start laughing. It's freaking hilarious. I would cry a lot because my best friend Abby. Okay, so there's playing an instrument, browsing the internet. Duh. I feel. Duh. Like, what did you do? What did you do the last weekend? I browsed the internet. Duh. So that's something I would say. I do play ukulele a little bit, but I suck. I suck very badly. I'm always loud. Well, it's okay, but not great. Okay, I'm gonna cry if it's PewDiePie. I don't like PewDiePie. No! 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 I'm redoing this. I deserve a real answer. 1 second. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna pick the first one for all of them. See who I get. And if it's PewDiePie again, I swear. A llama! Rawr. Rawr. Okay. Sometimes I'm inside, sometimes I'm outside. Okay. Browsing the internet. Duh. I love that question. I annoy people when I constantly make jokes that actually me, because I annoy my best friend Dawson all the time. No! Sad face. Okay, if it's still PewDiePie, I'm going to eat my computer. No! No! Abby, if you're watching this, no! I don't like Markiplier. Mm. Mm. So I'm gonna send that to Abby on Instagram. My Instagram is slaved cow. Oh. Slaved. Oh. Slaved cow. One. There we go. What happened? Where's my facey cam? What's found my facey cam? Okay, I got it. Delicious. She said. Oh. Oh. Is that how you feel? Jacksepticeye, I'm breaking up with you. Oh yeah, and Asher, Abby is breaking up with you. Markiplier, I hate to tell you this, but Abby's breaking up with you. Okay, so now I'm going to do only the second one. Wait, is that Megan Trainor? It is. No, no, no. Me too. I tried for Mark, but no. My cousin got pewds. Okay, we're gonna do warm colors like orange and red. Browsing the internet, never to move the whole weekend. Okay, I just played this because that is what Jacksepticeye I just watched him do the quiz. Okay, ATM, and I just burped. Excusez-moi. A lion. Meh. Oh. Practically always inside. That's what he said. Okay, so this isn't like actually what I do. Like, remember trying to get Jacksepticeye. Yeah. Okay, fingers crossed. I know it is. He's not even cute. He's grown. Now I'm doing the third one. The third one. I know I suck at singing a song. So just don't give me hate in the comments down below. Thank you. Dildo. No preference, really. Help them up. I hope they're okay. No, I don't. Summoner starts laughing 5 seconds later. That's so mean. I would be devastated. Playing video games. I'm loud sometimes. That's what she said. Not really. No! No! I don't want to take Markiplier or PewDiePie or that weird Dan person. They're all gross. Oh. Oh yeah, I'm watching the Hunger Games. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, because I enjoyed making this. My first kiss went out. No, no, no. I never kissed anybody. I'm marrying this chick. It's a girl. Mama, oh well. So I give up. Nobody texts anymore. Okay. I said text. In my next video, I'll be going on the useless web for 15 minutes straight. Bye.